everybody. Welcome to Hey Kids, Let's Draw. We're here with Kimball. How's it going, Kimball?
Good.
Good. As you can see, Kimball's got some green clothes on. Why is that? Why are you wearing green today?
Because we're drawing a leprechaun for St. Patrick's Day.
Today's a leprechaun for St. Patrick's Day. And what is a leprechaun?
It's like a believable creature or something.
Yeah, it's like a believable creature. It's like a little guy that protects the pot of gold, right?
Huh?
Or you eat Lucky Charms or something. Anyway, thanks for joining us on Hey Kids, Let's Draw. And have fun drawing a leprechaun today. Okay, everybody, thanks for joining us on Hey Kids, Let's Draw. I got a black marker today. It's got a pointy tip. Can you see that? We're gonna try a little more detail today. So I decided you can either use a pen, a pencil, or a marker with kind of a smaller pointy tip. And Kimball over here has a marker with a pointy tip as well. It's kind of a smaller one. So today we're gonna start out, our leprechaun's gonna kind of be up here with his hat and down here with his feet. So first off, let's do an eye, okay? I'll start with an oval for an eye.
Oval.
And leave room for his hat and his feet, okay? And inside that oval is another big oval. These are the eyes. And inside that oval is another oval that we like to leave for the highlight, and we'll color the inside part black. So you can see your eye start to take shape, right? Let's keep you straight there. Okay, and next we're gonna draw a nose. So we're gonna go down and a big nose. All right, that looks good, Kimball, good job. Now this other eye kind of hides behind the nose. So watch this, I'm gonna start at the nose, come up and over. Good job, way to follow directions. And we're gonna do another oval inside of that eye, just like we did with the other. And another oval inside there for the highlight. So we can color that part in. And so now we have two eyes and a nose. So above the eyes, let's do a mouth. We'll do a big smiley mouth. So we'll do a cheek.
Cheek.
We'll do a smile and another cheek.
Smile. Cheek.
Good job. These cheek marks are kind of like little U's. Now we're gonna do some teeth. Let's keep you in the screen. Okay. There we go. Let's do a straight. Come from the mouth, go straight down, and follow the shape of the smile. Go over and stop. And go straight down to that tooth. Good. Now from this tooth, we're gonna do a long U. Well, kind of like a J. It's like a J.
Also like a hook.
Or a hook, or a fishing hook. And on the bottom of that J, we'll do a straight up.
Up.
And another line, kind of a curve over to the J. And that's our bottom teeth. Now right here, from this bottom to the top tooth, draw a line and connect. And now we have our mouth. See how that works? Okay. Now let's draw some eyebrows. Let's do leprechauns have big puffy eyebrows? I think ours does. So let's do some big puffy eyebrow. Good job. Let's do another one over here. Over. Good job. Okay. Now we're gonna do the face. Let's actually connect these eyebrows with a big kind of rainbow shape.
Now it looks like kind of bald.
Well, it's okay. We're gonna do the hat in a minute here. So, underneath this eyebrow, we're gonna go down.
Down.
And we're gonna make a big cheek, kind of, because he's smiling, so the cheek kind of curves out like that. Good. And now we're gonna kind of follow this shape of the mouth, kind of go down. And let's do an ear right here. Start kind of right above the cheek. We'll go out with a big ear. See that? And I've made these little lines inside that ear. And now we're gonna do the other side. We're gonna take this chin and watch me go down. And let's see how we're gonna do this. Let's do cheek. And we're gonna connect that cheek to the chin. So here we go, just down and connect. Good job. And we're gonna connect the bottom of the eyebrow to the cheek. And let's do another ear over here. Kind of pointy. All right, so we have the shape of the face. That's one of the hardest parts. And we're doing a hard leprechaun. This is not an easy leprechaun. So let's do the hat. Let's keep you straight here. Let's keep you straight so we can all see what Kimball's doing here. Papers move around, don't they, buddy? Okay. So right here on the tip of the ear, watch me, we're gonna go up and down, kind of like a cowboy hat. So I'm gonna go up. Actually, we'll go a little further up to a point.
That's a little too far.
And then down. Kind of looks like a cowboy. And then right here we're gonna do his buckle. So we'll do kind of a square shape. 2 squares. And right here on this hat, we're gonna go kind of out. And then curve over.
That looks like a ship on the game I play.
A game?
Looks like a ship on a game I play.
Let's make the belt buckle kind of connect there. A ship, what game is it?
It's Mario Odyssey.
Mario Odyssey. We love that game. I bet lots of kids play that. Okay, let's make the beard. Okay, so start with this over here by this ear. And we'll kind of go boom. Making these pointy beard marks, huh? Your beard can be whatever shape it wants, but this is going to be what we chose. Kind of a pointy beard for our leprechaun guy. Good job. Now we left this hat undone, so what we're going to do is we're going to connect the hat down to the ear. Good job. All right. Now, what do leprechauns like to hold?
Clover.
4-leaf clovers. Okay. So I'm gonna make, see over here by his beard, I'm gonna make his arm come out. So good job. And then down. Okay, so this is his sleeve. Coming out of his sleeve is going to be a fist shape. So there's a line. And watch what we do here. We do a bump, and that's his thumb. And over here we started his thumb, and we do a circle.
That looks like a mitten.
Like a mitten, exactly. And bring that into the sleeve. Now we can connect the wrist down to the sleeve right here. Okay, so this mitten, it looks too round, so let's make some fingers. We're gonna do 1 finger, 2 fingers, maybe 3 fingers. And then bring a big stem. That's gonna be our clover stem, all right? So let's draw a big 4-leaf clover. We'll go 1, 2, 3, 4. So watch me. Go 1, 2, 3, and 4. Okay. Our leprechaun holding his 4-leaf clover. Looking good. So now we have a lot of space down here. We can try to fill it, make him, let's make him have a kind of a belly. Big belly. So ready, we'll do a big belly.
Can't do that down.
Yep, you're kind of running out of space, but that's okay. Let's take his sleeve over to his belly. And we'll do a big buckle. This is his belt buckle. So it's kind of a rectangle or a square, however you want to do it. And then I do a square inside and bring his belt over to his belly, bring his belt over to his belly. Okay. Bring the belt a little bit over to this side. And do you know what this is going to be? We're going to draw a jacket. Okay.
Jacket.
Here we go. Down.
Down.
Good job. Over.
Over.
Okay. We're going to do this line that goes down and kind of curves out and connects. How's your leprechaun doing?
Good.
He looks mischievous. He's hiding his pot of gold, I think. And we're going to do, this is kind of a weird shape, but coming out from his beard, we'll go out and
Ow.
down.
Down.
And that's basically his arm kind of hiding behind, he's holding something behind his back, right? We don't know what it is. It could be another clover, it could be some gold, or maybe it's the map to his pot of gold. We don't know, but that's the fun, right?
He's holding a rainbow behind his back.
There you go. So right here we got his legs. We're gonna finish. We're gonna bring his belly down to a kind of a point looking thing. And over here we're gonna bring this. We'll do so this is kind of a curve down over. And this is kind of his belly and his little pants, because they wear short little pants, but cool striped socks. We're gonna draw some socks. So how's that? Yeah, cool stripes. Now leprechauns, actually we left out some buttons. Let's do some big, there's one circle. I don't have any room over here, so I'm gonna do a circle behind his beard. What kind of shoes do leprechauns wear? Nike, Jordans? LeBron James?
No.
No, they wear big, like, buckle shoes. Let's do a buckle right here. We'll do a, this is kind of a weird shape, but it's kind of a diamond or a squished square, but it's gonna be a buckle. Let's do one over here, but it's facing the opposite way. Okay, connect that to his leg. Now this is the fun where we get to draw the big giant shoes. Watch this, here we go. Have fun with this. We're gonna go down and then a big shoe is gonna pop up. I'm gonna bring it over and up. That's cool, good job. They almost look like clown shoes, huh? So let's do the same thing. We're gonna go down, over, and then connect the dots, really. I think there's gonna be a highlight right here. They just look like they wanna be shiny. So I'm gonna do this, and then when we color it in. Awesome. And there is a leprechaun. How'd that go? Was that hard?
No.
Yours looks awesome. Enjoy, you guys. Enjoy drawing a leprechaun. We're gonna color this now. Here we go. Fast forward.